I am now going to be testing the fastest strategy on Alpha 1 bot at expert option. We're going to use Orbit RSI. Let's see which type of win rate we can get with something like that. It's of course AI optimized like everything else. So if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Now let's start up the bot and let's see what we can get. But before I do that, do you want this binary option robot for yourself? Link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And do you know what? Right now I'm giving a promo code that gives you 150% on your first deposit. This will be just for a few more days, so take advantage and make the first deposit count. Now let's start the bot and let's see which type of win rate we can get in this video. Now let's start the bot. He will now start to collect all the information needed from the chart. Afterward, everything in neutral indicator. You can even see I have already taken a trade, like I was not kidding. This is the fastest strategy we have on expert option. Let's see if we can get a good start here now. We are currently hovering in huge profit. Very good. We are getting a good start here. I can see clearly we are deep in the profit. So let's see here now. Let's just scroll down so we can follow the trades also. They will come up here now. So there we have it. First trade in, $79 profit. Amazing. So also help me out. If you like this type of videos, make sure also you like this video. You help me tremendously just by doing so. And if you have any question, just leave them below the video at X and below the video at YouTube. I reply to every single question that come in. So now let's see, he's now looking for the second trade. Should come any moment now. As we're using the Orbit RSI, it's not so complicated. But of course he needs some movement in one direction. When you got a little sideways market, he's not trading that much. So he's now looking. He's basically taking a trade here now, and you see we got a movement down right away. Let's see, just still in that area. You see that is a pretty strong resistance, and he broke through it sadly. You see he needed a very strong move up. That was something that the bot could not predict. We got a very strong move up and he broke the resistance. It's pretty normal when you break resistance you get a strong move up. There were actually more chance that it will go down in that case. But not to worry, we have a martingale, so he's taking a new trade now. He taking a sell trade up there. That makes much sense as you get a so big move up. Typically he need to retest sometimes that is now a support down. So this was a very smart trade, so was expected, and I'm pretty sure that will turn into a winner. Then if the next trade is a winner, that should be it. So yes, we are deep in the money with this trade. Amazing. So this bot have basically amazing win rate, by the way. All the strategies on Alpha 1 bot is optimized to the max. So now if we can get the next trade a winner, we should be golden. By the way, we have a 67% win rate. We see that quite often with this bot. Now he's taking a trade again. It's a buy trade. He got it in there. I believe that's a good trade. I like that because we had movement up. We got a retest down. He should be having a movement up anytime now. Question if we get it before this line come to the end. Looks like it. Come on now, give us the move up that we need. Yes, push up now. So we are so close to be done. Come on. No, we did not get it in time. So that means we need to use martingale. We are now at a 50% win rate. We are now looking for the trade number 5. Will it be a buy or sell? Personally, I don't know, because this is a very sideways market now. But the bots see many things that we don't see. So personally, I have a little difficulty. I need to zoom more out, but he sees more. So he's choosing to do a buy trade. I like that. I do like it. So he's in with a buy trade now. If we win this one, we should reach our profit target, if I'm correct with my calculation. Let's see, But there, now we're getting the movement up. Looks, yeah, this is deep in the money. This, oh, we are very deep in the money. So, then I can start with the ending here now. So, if you want this buy an auction robot for yourself, as you can see, it's very profitable. We got a 60% win rate, 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losses. That is good in my book. So if you want it, it's completely for free. And also, remember, use this promo code. It's just for a few more days. 150% on your first deposit. That is unheard of. So make sure you take advantage. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.